Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RK Career Solution Training Academy. I hope everyone is keeping safe at home. I am Rohit Kapoor, CEO and founder of RK Career Solution Training Academy. So now today's video would be on diploma. As in the previous video we have discussed about the degree courses in airline industry. So today we will be discussing about the diploma courses in aviation. And I would like to inform a great news. We have tied up with one of the leading institute of Dubai. Now we will be providing you IATA courses as well. So today our video would be on the diploma courses in aviation industry. And as per the request of some of our students from northeast and southern part of India, we will be making videos in English and Hindi both, so that the language is comfortable for both the people who can understand English and Hindi as well, right? So today the classes would be on diploma courses in aviation. Okay, so the first these diploma courses are being provided by our academy, and as I told you, now we are approved by IATA, working with an institute who is also approved by IATA. So the first diploma course which we will be providing is diploma course in airport management. So the qualification for it is 12th pass. Okay, and it can be in any stream, whether you are from science background, commerce or arts or humanities. Okay, and the topics which are covered in this airport management diploma in airport management are like, we cover about the airport strategy and functioning, we cover about the cargo management and handling, we cover about staff management, safety and security management. All these are topics are covered in this diploma course. The duration of this course is 1 year. Okay, and let me tell you about the scope of this diploma course. After the diploma course, you can apply for customer service jobs at the airport and airlines, in hotels. You can apply for front office jobs. Okay, the starting salary package of these jobs are approximately around 2 to 6 lakhs per annum. Okay, and the different posts are like of assistant manager, cargo department manager. Okay, so the course is provided by our academy. So the fee of this course is 1 lakh if you are doing without IATA. So as I told you, we are approved by IATA now. First of let me tell you what is IATA also. IATA stands for International Airline Travel Association. Okay, and this body is from the Canada. Its head office is in Montreal, and this by getting this certification, you can apply for job in any airlines around the globe. So that is the benefit of being certified by IATA. So if you are doing the course of airport management with IATA, the fees is 1,50,000, and if you are doing it without IATA, only the airport management diploma, then the fees will be 1 lakh. Okay, and we will be providing you job assistance after the course, completion of the course, after the airport management diploma you have completed from our academy. So the next we come up to the diploma course which is in ground staff and cabin crew, which is the most favorite course of all the students who enroll with our academy. So in ground staff and cabin crew, again the eligibility criteria remains the same, that the candidate should be 12th pass and can be from any stream like science, humanities, arts, commerce. Again, the course is aimed at training students to take on the role of air hostess, flight steward and ground staff. So the basic things which we teach in this diploma are the main is the communication skills, spoken English communication skills. Then we teach about the customer service. Then we teach in-flight training. The in-flight training is given on a live aircraft which we have tie up with another institute, which we give in-flight training inside the aircraft, so that the students who are preparing for flight stewards and air hostess, they should have a proper knowledge about how to serve inside the cabin, how is the lookout of the cabin. So they should get a proper training about that. Then we give the training about safety and first aid procedures, food and beverage production and serving. So all these training is given in this diploma. So after completing the diploma, again the 100% job assistance is provided by our academy. The starting salary package, if you do this diploma course, starts from about 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. Okay, and the fees for this course is again, if you do it the IATA approved ground staff and cabin crew training, again the fees is 1,50,000, and if you do it without IATA, the fee stands for again 1 lakh. Okay, so now let's come to the third diploma course which our academy provides. So the third course is Diploma in Aviation and Hospitality. Okay, as we know that hospitality is one of the important factor in aviation. We have passengers, guests coming in, so we need to provide them a good hospitality. It's a very important part of the aviation industry, hospitality. So in this, again the eligibility is again 12th pass, any stream can apply. Duration is again 1 year of this course. In this we teach you about introduction to aviation hospitality, we teach you communication skills, management, food and beverage production. We teach you, if we can teach you about the foreign language, so that in case if you, in future you want to apply to any other country, if you want to migrate to any other country, you should be knowing the regional language, the language of that country. So then we provide you front office operation skills, we provide you computer and IT skills. Again the salary package after the course range between 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. The job is provided by our institute only, as we told you earlier. So this is one of the again diploma in aviation and hospitality. Okay, so fourth diploma which our academy offers is Diploma in Airfare and Ticketing Management. In this diploma we teach you about different ticket booking softwares like Galileo, Amadeus, Sabre. So these software today airlines and other different travel companies, agencies uses to book the tickets and hotel packages which you get. So after doing this course you can get a job in the ticketing and reservation department of different airlines. You can get job in travel agencies like Book My Trip, Clear Trip. All these agencies can hire you. Okay, so in this we will be teaching you, as I told you, 3 different softwares for booking the ticket. Again this course is also certified by IATA. Okay, and this you get a starting salary of around 3 to 4 lakh rupees average after completing the course. So this is about the airfare and ticketing management course. Again the eligibility criteria remains the same, 12th pass, and it's a 1 year course. In this we will be teaching you about the communication skills also. So that's all about the airfare and ticketing management diploma course which we offer. So today's video we have discussed the 4 diploma courses which we offer in our academy. They are certified by IATA, International Airline Transport Association. And the best part about our institute, as I have told you in previous videos also, we provide you 100% job guarantee after the course. So that's why join RK Aviation Academy and make your career a success. Thanks for watching our video and have a good day all.